Japanese management. Snapshot of Japanese culture, self-awareness, the group and conformity, one of the most homogeneous nation in the world. Strong, aware and proud of their country, high on fashion and technology, Icelander mentality, relationship take foremost priority, reflect in business too, hard work is given, not an exception. Japanese management. Japanese companies, like Japanese society, are hierarchically organized with individuals knowing their position within a group and with regard to each other. Japanese management features lifetime employment, collective decision making, ringi sei, the circulation of consultative memorandums around a company in order to achieve consensus, information flow from bottom of the company to the top. Most policies originate at mid-level management. Top management plays not only a supervisory and encouraging role, collective responsibility, slow evaluation and promotion, implicit control mechanism, non-specialized career path, high self-discipline, holistic concern for employees as a person. What are the key elements? Centralized management control, strong head office, subsidiary management, interpersonal relation, multiple location, business strategy, single product focus, minimize cost of production, maintain consistently high quality output at all factories through standardization of best worker practice and procedures, diversify market segments, geographic markets, and production location. Strength of strategy and structure. Qualified senior management, low cost of production, quality control, diversified and strong market position in established and growing market, good reputation, early leader in small motors, good fit between organization structure and competitive environment. Weakness of strategy and structure, limited scope for continued expansion with existing managerial capacity, relative difficulty in transferring Japanese management style across culture, continued growth until will be difficult, long-term problems and new competitors allowed to establish themselves or if existing competitors are allowed to grow in strength. Model of Japanese management. Hatmani and Cusick offer a model of Japanese management in which they define three interrelated strategies. The author asserts that these journal strategies are translated into specific management techniques, including job rotation and slow promotion, evaluation of attributes and behavior, emphasis on work group, open communication, consultative decision making, and concern for employee. Philosophy of Japanese management, fully satisfaction of customer needs, achieve employee fulfillment, slow and careful way of implementing, willing to any activity if necessary, zero defect theory, Rome is not built in a day approach. Common belief. Belief. Japanese management system is so unique that it cannot be easily transferred overseas because these processes of management are culture bound. SWOT analysis. Strength. Closer relation. Non-competition among employees. Consensus decision making. Weakness. Slow promotion system. High training cost. No motivation. Opportunity. Preferring personality to education. Challenge in time of crisis. Tom Bata's rotating system, threats, scope of company, nature of work, cultural differences. Human resource practice in Japan for managers. High wages based on seniority, including substantial bonuses, structured managerial career path, employment security for regular employees, company sponsored welfare system that is subsidized housing, recreational facilities, etc. Wide involvement of middle management in decision making. Lean management. Lean management is the development of problem solving capability to the entire workforce, allocating specific categories of problem to each layer of organization. Leader is less focused on problem solving, high focus on building problem solving muscle of the workforce. 10 principles of lean management. Eliminate waste, minimize inventory, maximize flow, pull production from customer demand, meet customer requirements, do it right the first time, empower workers, design for rapid changeover, partner with suppliers, Create a culture of continuous improvement, Kaizen. Operations production management practice in Japan. The operations of management practice of Japan companies has some specific character quite different from traditional or Western management system. Just-in-time system, subcontracting, quality control, Kaizen approach. Just-in-time system, an integrated set of activities designed to achieve high volume production using minimum inventories of raw material, finished good and work in process. Management philosophy, nothing produced until needed, encompass the successful execution of all production activities required from design to deliver the product. Common science based simple techniques. Subcontracting. Large companies, particularly in manufacturing sector, rely heavily on regular subcontracting system to secure punctual and regular supply of quality parts and semi-finished products from contractor on various levels. Large company provide smaller ones with technical, managerial and financial assistance in various forms. This way, the large and small companies need not compete and contract for every supply and purchase. Mutual trust is the basis of long-term transactions. TQM, Total Quality Management. Total, all functions, area, department, all activities, all employees, always at all places. Q, quality. Quality does not merely mean quality of the product or service and work, but quality of a company. What is quality of a company? Consistent and continual, appropriate profit gain, employee satisfaction, including self-realization, customer satisfaction, shareholder satisfaction, affiliate company satisfaction, social satisfaction. Management means Management, which actually means integrated and continual activity to raise quality of a company at company-wide level. What is TQM? TQM is cost-effective system for integrating the continuous quality improvement efforts of people at all level in organization to deliver product and service which ensure customer satisfaction. Kaizen approach, continuous improvement, policy of constantly introducing small incremental changes in the business in order to improve quality. It assumes the employee are the best people to identify room for improvement as they practically deal with the operations. Small improvement need less capital investment. Innovation, creativity, individualism, individualism, specialist oriented, attention to great leaps, technology oriented, information close priority, functional specialist orientation, seek new technology, line plus staff, limited feedback. Kaizen, adaptability, teamwork system approach, journalist oriented, attention to details, people oriented, information open shared, cross functional orientation, build on existing technology, cross functional organization, comprehensive feedback. Western and Japanese product perception. Western perception, high technology, technology innovation, innovative product. Japanese perception, low technology, people oriented, Kaizen oriented product. Corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility is a concept which encourages organization to consider interest of society by taking responsibility for the impact of organization's activity on customers, employees, shareholders, communities, and the environment in all aspects of its operation. The obligation is seen to extend beyond the statutory obligation to comply with legislation and see organizations voluntarily taking further steps to improve the quality of life of employees and their families as well as for local community and societies at large. Japan belong to group, team players, substantial respect to authority, live to work, loyal to company, collective responsibility, paternity style, monitoring by employees, slow decision making. USA, individual, competitive, minimum respect to authority, work to live, loyal to self, individual responsibility, directive style, monitoring by managers, quick decision making. Thank you.